Students, good morning. Hope I'm audible to you. Good morning, students. Hope I'm audible to you. Can you see my slide? Each and every formulas are included here. Can you see my slide? You got sales, variable cost, fixed cost, profit, calculation of PV ratio, break-even point, margin of safety, expected sales, correct? So we'll start within 1 minute, just a minute. Uh, So I hope I'm audible to each and everyone. So dear students, please note, altogether we got 6 modules like cost control, contract, process, standard, marginal, and the emerging concepts, correct? Altogether we got 6 modules. Now first module is cost control. That's purely based on the ledger. It's purely based on the ledger. So this is similar to the financial one. And the second module is contract costing that we are going to check later. We are going to see later. I hope I'm audible to each and everyone. You can tell me in the chat itself. You can tell me in the chat itself. Yeah, I hope I'm audible to each and everyone. Yeah. So dear students, please note. Dear students, please note. Altogether we got 6 modules. But please remember, we have taken this module as one of the important module because this module is very simple. This module is very simple. It will within 10 days we can complete this syllabus. So can you see the syllabus and the content? Can you see the syllabus and content? So basically here we are going to speak about marginal costing. Marginal costing in the sense, dear students, here we give more and more importance for. Here we give more and more importance for a variable cost. Here we give more and more importance for variable cost. Now the format says that you have to start with the sales, less variable cost, then please remember, start with the sales, less variable cost. Answer आएगा contribution, less fixed cost. Answer आएगा profit. So those who were absent in the previous class, I request everyone, please note down this formula. If you are absent, please note down this formula immediately. आप previous lecture में absent थे, please, I will give you 2 minutes because today I am going to start the practical part. I request everyone, please note down this the simple formula. Yes, please note down the simple formula. I hope it's visible to you. Please note down the simple formula. So अगर सबका लिख के हो गया तो प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट, डन करके बोल दो. So please tell me in the chat done करके, so that I can go for the practical part. मैं practical part start कर देता हूँ. I will start the practical part. If it is done, tell me. I will start the practical part. सबका लिख के हो गया क्या डियर स्टूडेंट्स? सबका हो गया? सबका. Very important, because today we are going to start the first problem and we are going to complete it. And the best part is, अगर कोई बच्चा एमकॉम में जाने वाला है तो ये चैप्टर आपको रिपीट आएगा. ये चैप्टर आपको रिपीट उधर आने वाला है. होप आई एम क्लियर. ये चैप्टर आपको उधर रिपीट आने वाला है. सो डन. इतना ही फॉर्मूला है और कुछ भी नहीं है बच्चों. इतना ही है और कुछ भी नहीं है. ओनली दिस मच फॉर्मूला. एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? इज इट क्लियर? एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? इज इट क्लियर? Any doubt to anyone? Is it clear? So done, students? Is it done? Yeah. Now, dear students, if it is done, please let me start. मैं एक बार आपको explain करके दे देता हूँ. Sales is the first part. Sale minus variable cost. Answer is contribution. Less fixed cost. Answer is less fixed cost. Answer is less fixed cost किया तो answer is profit. So please understand, this is a whole summary of the problem. Whole summary. Sales less variable cost, you will get contribution. And please remember, in marginal costing we give more and more importance for contribution, because har ek jagah pe you will see the word contribution is important rather than the profit. So the summary of marginal costing is that here we give more priority for, here we give more priority for variable cost rather than the fixed cost. So when I say marginal costing, please remember variable comes first, fixed cost comes later. So, and in every situation, contribution is the one of the important parameter comparing to the profit. So आपका स्टेप ऐसा स्टार्ट होगा, सेल्स माइनस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, आंसर आएगा कंट्रीब्यूशन, माइनस फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट, आंसर आएगा प्रॉफिट. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों आपको? तो एक बार ये स्टेप हो गया, देन यू विल गो फॉर द पीवी रेशियो. पीवी रेशियो इन द सेंस प्रॉफिट वॉल्यूम रेशियो. So profit volume ratio means profit and volume in the sense sales. So profit doesn't mean that we are taking profit. For our PV ratio, for our marginal costing, we are giving more and more importance for contribution. So contribution divided by sale is important for us. Hope I'm clear to you. If PV ratio, contribution divided by sales, does not work, in the sense if that contribution divided by sale is not applicable here, agar ye contribution divided by sales applicable nahi hai, then we will change the formula, changes in profit upon changes in sales into 100. अभी आपको डाउट आएगा सर ये फॉर्मूला कभी आएगा? इन केस प्रॉब्लम में 2 ईयर का इंफॉर्मेशन है, 2 years का इंफॉर्मेशन है, and absolutely you cannot calculate contribution, then you will follow changes in profit upon changes in sales into 100 formula. Changes in profit, please remember profit will be ऊपर, changes in profit upon changes in sales into 100. ये PV ratio में 2 formula है. Next we will go to break even point. Break even point is that point where there is no profit, no loss. So it is a area where you are very स्टेबल, आप वेरी स्टेबल है, इधर लॉस भी नहीं है, इधर प्रॉफिट भी नहीं है. जब आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट करेंगे बच्चों, प्लीज रिमेंबर यू मे गो फॉर लॉस, बट slowly you will go for break even point, Later on, you go for profit region, correct? So now break-even point is the exact point where the profit or loss is not there. That means your cost is equal to sale. In short, I can say that your cost is equal to sale. आपको पता है जब भी प्रॉफिट नहीं मिलना चाहिए या लॉस नहीं मिलना चाहिए, that means your cost will be equal to sales. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? Is it clear? My voice is clear, students? अच्छा, मुझे पता नहीं चलता है आपको क्लियरली सुन रहे या नहीं। जस्ट अगर आप व्हाट्सएप में चैट में लिखेंगे तो ये मुझे पता चलेगा ना। Is it clear to everyone? Yeah. Now, dear students, please note, uh, next one is break-even point. So break-even point, we got rupees and break-even point in units. Next, third formula is margin of safety. Margin of safety in the sense, from the break-even point, आप कितना ज़्यादा production करना चाहते हो? Because in break-even point, you are not getting any profit, neither you are getting profit nor you are getting loss. So the margin of safety means it is a area आप break-even point से कितना ऊपर जाना चाहते हो? That is called as margin of safety. So it is a difference between actual sales minus break-even sales. So it is a difference between actual sales minus break-even sales. Okay? Or one more formula, profit upon PV ratio. Profit upon PV ratio. Okay? Now, last one is expected sale or desired sales. Desired expected, दोनों बोल सकते हो. So expected sale is equal to fixed cost plus expected profit divided by PV ratio. Divided by PV ratio. ठीक है? Now, can we go forward? अभी हम लोग इतना सबका पास प्रॉब्लम, इतना स्क्रीनशॉट सबका पास रहना ही चाहिए, इतना स्क्रीनशॉट सबका पास रहना चाहिए। कैन वी गो फॉरवर्ड? कैन वी गो फॉरवर्ड? Yeah. So can you see, just a minute. Can you see question number 1? Can you see question number 1? Following information is furnished by Himesh Limited. Himesh Limited. Can you see question number 1? Yeah. So please note down this problem. I request everyone, please note down this problem. Question number 1. I request everyone, please note down this problem. Quick. I'll give you 2 minutes. Please note down. So we have to complete this problem today. Quick. So is it done, students? Can we go for the solution? So is it done, students? If it is done, please tell me done in the chat box so that I can go for the solution. Because if this solution will take 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes. And first problem है, so आपको practice करना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. So सबका अगर done हुआ, problem लिख के हुआ, so I can go for the solution. Students, बाकी students हो क्या? Is it done? बाकी students है क्या उधर? Is it done, students? Students, 2 मिनट का काम है students. Is it done? Done? Yeah. So let's go to the solution first. So solution, it will take time. The solution, just a minute. So each and every questions are solved here. Just a minute. Yeah. Can you see the solution part? Dear students, can you see the solution part? Can you see the solution part? Is it visible, students? Solution slide is visible. Solution slide is visible, students. हाँ, अभी आप मुझे help करेंगे. You will help me with all the contents. Yeah, is it visible to everyone? First slide, solution slide is visible to everyone. It's visible. I'm asking others. Muskan, make sure you are having good network because others can see the slide. Yeah. Okay. Now, how to start? Please tell me. I request everyone to involve. What is the first point? Tell me what is the first point. The table में first point क्या आएगा? आपके पास formula है. Please tell me the formula. Starting sales. First point हमेशा sales. Can you tell me the sales of 2017 and 2018? Can you tell me the sales of 2017 and 2018, Aishwarya? What are the sales of 2017 and 2018? To 1,20,000. अच्छे से बोलो. 1,20,000 किसका है? और because आप 2017 and 2018 में हो, तो 1,20,000 is 2000. तो अरे मैडम 2016 किधर से आया? 2017 and 2018 है. 2006 17 का 1,20,000. Yeah. One more year का. What is the one more year का sale? One more year का sale. 1,40,000. Okay. Fine. Less. Less. What less? क्या करने का? Mehak, 2018 exactly. Mehak Khan, just variable cost, less variable cost. Variable cost. Please tell me variable cost of 2017. Variable cost of 2017. Please tell me. Variable cost of 2017. Variable cost of 2017. How much students? What is the variable cost? 8,000. Is it 8,000? What is the variable cost of 2017? Not given. Very nice. Very nice. इतना टाइम लगा स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक गॉड ज्योति को पता चला नॉट गिवन करके. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट आएगा कंट्रीब्यूशन. तो वो भी नहीं होगा. लेस व्हाट? थैंक गॉड एटलीस्ट ज्योति को पता चला नॉट गिवन. लेस व्हाट? Is it given? Is it given? I'm asking everyone, is it given? Is it given? Students, I think you are wasting time. I at least नहीं है तो ना बोलो. If it's not given, please tell me no. अरे ज्योति मूल्य का पास ही प्रॉब्लम है क्या? Others you don't have problem. प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आप लोग के पास. Yes, so that the final answer will be profit. Profit is given. They have given first point, they have given last point. They have not given the middle points, correct? Is it correct? They have not given the middle points. Tell me what is the profit? Tell me what is the profit? 8,000. बच्चों ये फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है, अच्छे से समझ में आना चाहिए. ये फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है. 8,000 एंड 13 और 12 है. 13 है. 8,000 एंड 13,000. श्योर स्टूडेंट्स? 13 है. ये करेक्ट है क्या? इतना करेक्ट है स्टूडेंट्स? इतना करेक्ट है क्या स्टूडेंट्स? वेरी पुअर इन यस. इतना स्लो आंसर मैं अभी तक नहीं देखा. व्हाट हैपेंड? नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आपको ऑफलाइन भी एग्जाम रहेगा, याद रखो. नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में ऐसा ऑनलाइन नहीं रहेगा. डोंट वरी, इतना खुश मत हो जाओ लास्ट मोमेंट में पढ़ाई करेंगे करके. ऑफलाइन भी हो सकता है. Now, इतना ही हमारा आंसर है. आई थिंक वी कैनॉट गो फॉर बीच का कैलकुलेशन. वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट हमें पता नहीं चलेगा अभी. कैन वी गो टू द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला? कैन वी गो टू द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला? कैन वी राइट द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला? पीवी रेशियो is equal to PV ratio is equal to. I want involvement from everyone. Now tell me can I use contribution divided by sale, or can I change the formula? Which formula is suitable now? Contribution divided by sale, you got one formula. Changes in profit upon changes in sale is another formula. And I told you, when contribution is not there and when 2 years are there, 2 year ka information is there, please go for changes in profit upon changes in sale. You remember? मैंने ये फॉर्म आपको बताया था, correct? Yes. Please tell me. Formula will be changes in profit upon changes in profit upon changes in sale into 100. Changes in sales Yeah, this is the formula, correct? Yes, very nice. Can you tell me change बोला तो the difference, the change बोला तो profit का difference, the new year से 2018 से 2018 का, yes, 2018 से 2019 का आंसर माइनस करने का, 2018 से 2017 का आंसर माइनस करने का. Please tell me what is the profit of 2018, that is 13,000. Yes, what is the profit of 2017, that is 8,000. So the difference is called as change. And sale is 1,40,000 minus 1,20,000. The new years, the last year, recent year से old year को minus करने का. Is it correct? Is it correct, students? Is it correct? So it is nothing but 5,000 divided by, बोलो 5,000 divided by how much? Short किया तो 5,000 divided by 20,000 ना, into 100. How much? 5,000 divided by 20,000 into 100. 100 is a ratio बोलने के 100 होता है. So what is the answer now? I want a reply from everyone. Everyone is there now. Students, this is too slow reply. So one of the important problem I am teaching you. So are you clear? Are you clear with the point? %. Is it clear, students? 25% is clear to everyone? Yes. Now, please remember, taking 25% as PV ratio, we can do wonder. 25% को लेके, we can do other calculation. We can go for other calculation. Can you tell me what is the actually PV ratio क्या था? PV ratio का formula क्या था? वो तो बता दो. Actually क्या था PV ratio का formula? Because I want you should follow. Yes, contribution actual formula था ये, correct? Contribution divided by sales into 100. अब अभी ये मत बोलो सर PV ratio हो गया ना. Still we are, yes, still we are using this not to find out PV ratio, but to find out the contribution answer. Please remember, still we are using this formula. Still we are using this formula not to find out PV ratio, but to find out contribution. Is it okay, students? Yes. Because आराम से हमें अभी PV ratio मिल गया. What is the PV ratio right now? What is the PV ratio? If you want to calculate for 2017 का अगर आपको calculate करना है, If you want to calculate 2017 ka, what is the PV ratio of 2017? Year 2017. What is the PV ratio? PV ratio is 25%, correct? Is it correct, students? 25% is equal to 25% is the PV ratio. Is it correct? Because just now you got it. Is equal to contribution ऐसे रहने दो because वो पता नहीं है. But divided by sales तो पता है ना? Divided by sales तो पता है. You know 2017 का sales. What is the sales of 2017? Students, are you getting my point? Taking previous answer and you are calculating something else now. Taking previous as a yes important answer. So contribution don't know because contribution जगह ही काली है, but you know sales. Please tell me sales amount. 1,20,000. Correct? Is it correct? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my discussion? PV ratio, after getting the PV ratio, I am writing PV ratio का part में PV ratio का आंसर लिख रहा हूं मैं. Then I am writing contribution. I don't know contribution. Then I am writing sales. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Is it clear? Yeah. अभी याद रखो बच्चों, एक चीज याद रखो, when 25% you are writing, when you are writing 25%, don't put 100 here. If you write 25, then 100 इधर आना चाहिए. If you are writing 25, then 100 ये साइड में आना चाहिए. If you are writing 25%, then 100 नहीं आएगा. Please remember this point. Is it clear? When I am writing 25%, so I cannot write 100 in the right side. So 100 should be ignored. Is it okay? Is it clear? So now in the left side, I got 25%. And you know that divided answer वो side में जाएगा तो into हो जाएगा, into 1,20,000 is equal to contribution. Hope you are yes, hope you know that divided से वो side में जाएगा तो into होता है. Can you tell me what is the exactly contribution amount? How much? 30,000. The contribution of 2017, dear students. It's a contribution of 2017. This is a contribution of 2017. Can I write here? Can I write here 30,000? Is it okay, students? Can I write here? अगर आपको 2018 का करना है तो 2018 का करना है तो सेम वे, that is 25% into सेल का जगह पे 1,40,000 डालेंगे, so you will get answer 25%. yes, year 2018 का तो 25% आंसर है because पीवी रेशियो दोनों का सेम है, into 1,40,000. how much? 35,000 is the contribution for the second year. Clear है क्या students? I'm asking you, is it clear to everyone? I'm asking you, is it clear to everyone? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मैथमेटिक्स आता है, आपको मैथमेटिक्स आता है, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस को हम लोग वेरिएबल कॉस्ट बोलते हैं। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू इज कॉल्ड एज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, करेक्ट है? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू इज कॉल्ड एज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, करेक्ट? डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू इज कॉल्ड एज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। यस, प्लीज टेल मी द डिफरेंस। ये दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 1,20,000 एंड 30,000 का डिफरेंस। यस, कितना आएगा? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू इज कॉल्ड एज, यस, 90,000। ये कितना आएगा सिमिलरली? होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, यू आर गेटिंग माय डिस्कशन। हाउ मच? फर्स्ट का 90 आया, सेकंड का, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस। यस, हाउ मच? 1,05,000। सिमिलरली ये दोनों का डिफरेंस, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस, प्लीज टेल मी। How much? 30,000 and 8,000 का डिफरेंस, 22,000। सो एक 1 ईयर का 22,000 एंड 1 मोर ईयर का 5,000 माइनस 13,000। हाउ मच? सेकेंड ईयर का भी सेम आ रहा है, 22,000। इज इट करेक्ट? इज इट करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? द डिफरेंस आंसर को मैं ग्रीन में लिख दिया। आई होप यू आर गेटिंग एग्जैक्टली क्या कैसा किया हम लोग ने, द डिफरेंस आंसर। सो वी हैव filled the columns. Now can we go for the second question? So your second question starts now. Tell me, what is the second question? What is the second question? Break even point. Break even point is equal to fixed cost divided by, break even point is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. अगर आपके पास फॉर्मूला नहीं है तो ये पूरा यस समझ में नहीं आएगा, अच्छे से देख लो। What is the fixed cost? Fixed cost of any year. Fixed cost of any year is 22,000. Don't add it because 1 ईयर का है, तो डोंट 2 ईयर का ऐड नहीं करने का, सेपरेट सेपरेट लिखने का। 22,000 अलग है, 22,000 and 22,000 is different. So 22,000, what is the PV ratio? 25%. Percent, please remember 25, खाली 25 नहीं, 25%. So calculator है तो बोलो 22,000 divided by 25%. परसेंट अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा, is equal to 88,000. Is it so? Is it so? 88,000 is correct. Then can we go for the third question? We can go for the third question. That is, so expected, this much is clear to everyone. I'm asking you, this much is clear to everyone then? इतना सबको क्लियर हुआ है क्या? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Now let's go for the third one. That is expected sales का formula आना चाहिए, expected sales का formula. So tell me expected sale का formula में fixed cost divided plus fixed cost plus expected profit divided by PV ratio, divided by PV ratio. Correct? This is the formula. Desired or expected is one and the same. Please remember, desired or expected is one and the same. Okay? So please tell me PV ratio divided by PV ratio. Please tell me PV ratio. Now, आप प्रॉब्लम अच्छे से चेक करेंगे तो यू कैन टेल मी क्वेश्चन क्या है. प्रॉफिट व्हेन सेल्स आर रुपीज 1,80,000. करेक्ट है. प्रॉफिट व्हेन सेल्स आर रुपीज 1,80,000. इसका मतलब है सेल इज 1,80,000. करेक्ट है ना. सेल का बाजू में 1,80,000 दिया है इज इक्वल टू फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. यू नो दैट 22,000. फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट इज 22,000 and you don't know profit. They are asking you expected profit. Expected profit पता नहीं है, ऐसे रहने दो. Divided by whole divided by PV ratio. Whole divided by PV ratio is, that's why I'm telling you 25%. Whole divided by PV ratio is 25%. Yes. Please tell me. Yes, student. 25% इधर से ये साइड में जाएगा 1,80,000 into 25% is equal to, and 22,000 plus वो साइड में जाएगा minus 22,000 is equal to expected profit. 1,80,000 का 25% कितना होता है बच्चों? 1,80,000 का 25% कितना होता है? 45,000 minus 22,000 is equal to expected profit. What is the expected profit then? 30? Is it 33 or okay, 23,000? Correct. Let's go to the fourth question. Fourth question. Again, formula will remain same. Formula तो यही आएगा. Formula तो यही आएगा. Please remember, formula तो यही है. Answer का जगह अलग है. Answer का जगह अलग है. Please remember. Answer का जगह अलग है. Please remember. What is given in the fourth formula? What is given in the fourth formula? Fourth formula में sales to earn a profit of 12,000 बोला है. मतलब profit is given. So expected sale is not given. Expected sale is not given. ऐसे रहने दो. Fixed cost, you know that will remain same. That is 22,000. Plus expected profit is given. That is 12,000. 12,000 na? 12,000 divided by PV ratio. Is it 12,000 correct? Divided by PV ratio. It is 25%. PV ratio is 25%. So finally expected sales कितना होता है? 22,000 plus 12,000. कितना होता है? 34,000. So divided by 25%. The expected sales. What is the expected sales? तो फॉर्मूला दोनों के लिए भी सेम रहेगा. What is the expected sales, students? 22,000 plus 12,000, 34,000 divided by 25,000. 25%. 34,000 बोला तो 68 का डबल 1,30,000, 1,40,000 कितना आ रहा है? 68. 1,30,000 correct. 1,36,000 is the right answer. 1,36,000. And the fifth question is, what is that fifth question? Margin of safety. Margin of safety कौन सा ईयर का करना था? 2018 का करना है. तो एक्चुअल सेल्स माइनस ब्रेक इवन सेल्स. break even sales. Done students? 2018 का करना है. Please remember. So 2018 year 2018 का करना है. ब्रैकेट में उधर ही दिया है उन लोगों ने. देखो 2018 में एक्चुअल सेल कितना था? What was the actual sale of 2018? Real sale which is given in the problem 1,40,000. Correct. What is the break even sale we have calculated today? Break even point, break even sale हम लोग ने calculate किया है. That is 88,000. Please read the second question. So 1,40,000 minus 88, how much? 1,40,000 minus 88. 52,000 is the right answer. So you have answered all the questions. अच्छे से देख लो, हम लोग चाहिए तो इसको और एक बार रिपीट करेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, ठीक है? सो आई थिंक यू नो द डिफिकल्टी लेवल नाउ। अभी आपको पता चला डिफिकल्ट कितना है करके। लेक्चर मिस करेंगे तो आगे समझ में नहीं आएगा। सो प्लीज रिमेंबर, एंड आपका फ्यूचर स्टडीज में आगे जाके आप जो भी स्टडीज करेंगे, एमकॉम करेंगे, तो ये टॉपिक और एक बार, ये चैप्टर फुल और एक बार आपको रिपीटेडली आएगा, ठीक है? ठीक है बच्चों, मैंने अटेंडेंस लिंक ग्रुप में डाल दिया। यू कैन मार्क योर अटेंडेंस एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन, यस, बी रेगुलर एवरी डे। या, थैंक यू सो मच। Mark your attendance and leave immediately because I got B lecture now. Quick.